A big thanks to Burnhard for sponsoring this video.
Whoa! I love KFC, don't get me wrong, but KFC ain't got nothing on these drumsticks. If you like chicken, and if you like KFC, if you like fried chicken, and you like cheap and easy recipes, you're gonna stay with this video right now. This is going to be amazing. I'm a chicken lover and I'm gonna put everything that I love about chicken in one recipe. So fried, spicy and smoked. For this recipe I'm gonna use drumsticks. It's really easy to bite into, no hassle, no multiple bones, just the perfect part of the chicken for the job. But first, of course, we gotta make a rub. And I'm gonna turn this into a spicy rub with 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of white pepper. Now mix it up and I hope you can guess what this is. You guessed it, it's Nashville hot chicken. Well, my version of it. Nashville hot fried smoked chicken. So I'm gonna replace the cap, replace it with the shaker cap, and this is not high science. It's just a Nutella cap, drill some holes in it and you're done. And then just sprinkle on the rub, like there's no tomorrow, but not too heavy. Turn them around, do the other side as well. No, I absolutely love Nashville hot chicken. And making it deep fried and smoked is just a perfect solution. I need that spice. When I'm cooking chicken, I need a little bit spice. Of course, if you don't like spicy food, you can leave the whole cayenne pepper out. It's okay, I won't tell. So the rule is simple for this recipe. Best things of the chicken, put them together. We got the spice, now we need the smoke. I'm gonna use the Burnhard, and this is the perfect device because I don't need a lot of heat. I only need to smoke first. So I'm gonna put in some pellets and set the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. And while our chicken is getting that first smoky layer, I'm gonna prepare a dipping sauce. Now don't be frightened, I'm gonna start with a whole cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black peppercorns, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a whole teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Now finish it up with the juice of half a lemon and stir it up. Your sauce is done. Quick taste test. Oh. Sweet, sour and salty. And we're definitely gonna need that for a Nashville spice mix. We build up some beautiful smoke and let's have a look. Oh, can you see it? Let's clear out the smoke. Oh, take it out. We're currently at a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna let them rest and completely cool off. And in the meantime, we're gonna work on our breading station. I'm gonna put down 3 trays and I'm gonna put flour in the first one. Then I'm gonna beat up 4 eggs. Add a 1/4 cup of buttermilk, and in the third one I'm gonna put my breading. You can use ordinary breadcrumbs, but in this case I'm using an old baguette. It's been laying around for the whole day and it's perfect for the little bit of that extra texture. And if you still think that you don't have enough, just add in some breadcrumbs. There's not gonna be a situation that we don't taste this anymore. So I'm gonna put it in the breadcrumbs, like this, and in the egg. Ooh. This is just perfect. You need that extra chunkiness from the old baguette along with the breadcrumbs to fill it up a little bit. And then it's gonna be amazing. I need more. Okay, I'm fine with that. So we got a breading station ready and now we need a heavy duty pan. So I got my Skottsberg right here. Now just take your drumsticks, dip it in the flour, dunk it in the egg and cover it with your breadcrumbs. Then leave it all on a cooling rack. Now heat up your sturdy cast iron pan. Put in 3 lumps of Clarified butter because it's cheaper than sunflower oil. And heat it up until it reaches a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. So what I want to do now is grab a drumstick and lay it in the fat away from you. Otherwise you can get splatters all over you. You don't want that. Be careful. And now only the cameraman gets hit. And now all you gotta do is just fry it until it's golden brown. there you have it. Beautiful platter of fried smoked chicken. Nashville style. But not entirely Nashville style yet. This makes it really Nashville style. We gotta make it even spicier, man. Oh.
I'm looking forward to this, so I'm just gonna dive straight in. I don't even care anymore. This stuff makes me happy. Not really spicy enough though, so I'm just gonna...
I messed up.
Just gonna go crazy on this stuff.
Beautiful. Sweet, spicy. Not spicy enough for me though. It's just a perfect dish. I can't wait for that sauce.
I mean, the smoky flavor, the crispy texture, it's juicy. This with a cold beer on a Friday night with a movie, you're golden. Sauce time. Dip it.
Dip it, dunk it. There you
Go crazy, man.
No, you go.
So I'm gonna do a double thing. Dip.
Yeah.
And then do this. It's like a perfect popsicle.
I want that too. Oh,
Cheers.
cheers.
Oh, what?
That's the money. Look at how much smoke flavor it is. We just hit a whole different kind of jackpot.
Yeah. It's super crunchy. It's spicy. The sauce adds a bit of sourness to it, a bit of freshness.
Guys, you gotta try this recipe. It's insane. Especially do it with the sauce. You can't do it without sauce. If you don't do it with the sauce, you're gonna have a problem with me.
Are you sure you want that?
I want to thank all the YouTube members, and I really enjoy that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then I want to know in the comments. You know, tell me what you think about this.
Yeah, man. Let us know.
Yeah.
We want to know.
And in the meantime, I hope to see you guys next time. And until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.
And keep on making fried chicken because it's insane and I love it. And also hit this video. Click the video.
And
And eat more drumsticks.
eat more drumsticks.